Hello kids, today I am going to start a new chapter of mathematics, that is where to look from. Suppose your teacher told you to draw a picture of a car. Next day you notice that you all drew the car differently. Suddenly you notice Dheeraj's car was looking like a small box now, and that's your one. So which one is correct? So now let's discuss the difference between your and Dheeraj's car. So this is your car and this is Dheeraj's car. Now let's see from where you noticed the car before drawing the pictures. You saw the car from roadside and Dheeraj noticed the car from terrace. So you were looking to the car from its side. So Dheeraj was looking to the car from its top. So basically the point of view is different, means from where we are looking to an object. So this is the side view of the car and this is the top view of the car. So we can conclude that both the two pictures are same but not similar. These two pictures are different views of same object. So both the pictures are correct. So now let's see some different points of view. So this is the top view. Here the viewer is watching the car from the top, like Dheeraj's picture. Now this is the front view. Suppose you are walking through the road and the car is coming towards you. On that time you can see this type of view. Next, this is the side view, like your picture. Next, this is bottom view. Suppose a cat is stuck in between the car, and if it look upward, on that time this view is been seen. This is the back view of the car. Suppose you are walking through the road and a car crossed you, on that time you can see this back view. And the last, this is the tilt view, where the motion of the car and your viewpoint makes a specific angle like 30-degree here. So now see, some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. So the first one, that is a cup, dustbin, tomato, cow and the desk. So now it's a practice time. Here are given some objects. So here you have to find the points of view. So see the first picture of the bus. So let's imagine from where we have to notice the bus to get the view. Yes student, you are right. We have to notice the bus from the top. So this is the top view. Now look at the chair. So we are seeing the view of the chair from the side. So this is side view. See, this one is a back view. This is a pencil. This is the back view of the pencil and this is the front view of the tab. So student, have a good day, and today up to this much. See you in your next class. Till that, stay tuned with us. Bye-bye.